Hey everyone! If you're a business owner looking to revolutionize your tech game, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to introduce you to AGS-TECH and their incredible RF and wireless devices. At AGS-TECH, we're all about innovation and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Whether you need off-the-shelf products or custom-tailored solutions, AGS-TECH has got you covered. From design and development to prototyping and mass production, we're here to support you every step of the way. Imagine having the latest in wireless components, devices and assemblies for remote sensing, control and communication. Think about the possibilities with fixed, mobile and portable two-way radios, cellular phones, GPS units, PDAs, smart remote control equipment and wireless networking devices. Need antennas for 5G or LTE? We've got them. How about coaxial fixed attenuators or DC blocks? Yep, those too. Our expertise doesn't end there. We offer a wide array of RF tools and accessories like coax adapters, waveguide components, power dividers, and RF connectors. Each product is designed with precision and quality, ensuring you get the best performance every time. So, why choose AGS-TECH? Simple. We're your one-stop solution for all things RF and wireless. Our integrated approach means you'll reduce complexity and speed up your time to market. That's efficiency and innovation rolled into one. Curious to learn more? Visit www.agstech.net and see how we can help bring your vision to life. Don't wait, unleash innovation with AGS-TECH today. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.